Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are jumping into method number 2 and then we will discuss about method number 3 in the next SEO class, which is the most effective, most useful and premium method to find untapped niches. In the niche selection criteria, we discussed one thing, KD, keyword difficulty. Today we will check KD through Moz Pro. You can't check the KD for free. Okay, until now we used free extensions like SEO Quick, Moz, SEMrush and Ahrefs free tool. We already discussed how to select niche using free methods in earlier classes. You can find niches without paying a single rupee to anyone. Now we are moving toward the pro level, so we will use Moz Pro. If you are interested in purchasing SEO tools, a number is provided in the description. Feel free to contact. Now I will show you how KD works. Go to keyword research. I want to check the KD of the keyword laptop prices in Bahrain. Here I select the Bahrain region and click analyze. You will see the results for the keyword you entered. I will mention the steps. Step number 1, log in to SEO tools. Step number 2, click on Moz Pro. Step number 3, go to keyword research. Step number 4, enter any keyword. Here you can see the KD and also the minimum DA, meaning no sites with a DA lower than this exist on the serve. To check the search volume of the keyword, we use keyword everywhere. Earlier I told you that the search volume must be around 30,000 plus. But if the country is a premium one like UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, even if the search volume is low, it is still acceptable because money is involved in these regions. Remember one basic thing, if the niche is expandable, you can compromise on search volume. For example, I searched the keyword laptop prices in Bahrain. I am not aiming to rank for only this one keyword. My goal is to cover laptop models in Bahrain. So my niche is expandable. A narrow niche example would be ChatGPT 5. Also note that when you change your Google search setting and switch the country, the search results also change. I hope you understand the basics of how to check KD. Now what do we do next? Go to keyword research in Moz Pro. Under explore by sites, select site overview. Now pick any big site in your niche. This is the easiest method I am about to teach you. For example, I am thinking about the niche laptop prices in Bahrain. So I searched it on Google. I look for a site that is specifically targeting Bahrain. For this, I first change my Google region settings. Now I search my keyword laptop prices in Bahrain. Pick the site that is actually targeting Bahrain. I copy its domain and paste it in Moz Pro under site overview. For keyword analysis, we had many region options, but for site analysis, we didn't. So we analyze it as it is. You will now see the sites ranking keywords. And you can also analyze the keywords in the top positions. Your real ranking goals is the top 3 positions 1, 2 and 3. Anything below that doesn't matter much. Scroll down and you will see top rankings keyword. The keywords this site is ranking for. Let me summarize what we just did. We perform search engineering for niche finding. Step number 1, Moz Pro. Step number 2, keyword research. Step number 3, site overview. Step number 4, ranking keywords. This site is ranking for keywords, but what do we do? We apply a filter for low KD keywords. This gives you only those keywords with low KD. Now we adjust the search volume because Moz search volume is not accurate. For search volume, we rely on keyword everywhere. We use Moz search volume only as a rough idea, mainly to remove keywords with zero search volume. Now we are left with keywords that have low KD Some search volume, not zero. Now let's open the first keyword. Its KD is low. We check organic CTR, meaning how likely people are to click. Earlier I told you about the sweet spot. If the sub start with organic results only, no overview boxes, no images, no panels, then the chances of getting clicks increase. I google the keyword and yes, the sub start with organic results. One important thing to remember. If there is no website targeting your keyword and you create a clean dedicated site, your chances of ranking quickly increase because there is no competition, no dedicated site. That's it. We will discuss method number 3 in the next SEO class, which is the most effective and most useful and premium method to find untapped niches. So make sure to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.